What's up, Facebook? YouTube. See, I'm on YouTube talking about Facebook, be on Facebook talking about YouTube. I'm gonna get it together one of these days, y'all. But how y'all doing? This is Black Natural 08, and I am coming to you. I got something inside my face, y'all. I'm coming to you because I'm actually in the midst of cooking, or I'm starting anyway. And what I'm going to be doing is a roast. And I'm going to have carrots and mushrooms in my roast. And I think I'm going to do rice. Put everything over a bed of rice. And that's a whole meal, y'all, because you don't need nothing else with it. Yesterday I cooked some cabbage with dinner yesterday. So if I want some cabbage today, I'll probably eat some cabbage. But this is what I have. This is my roast. And what I'm going to do with that, right now I'm letting it rest because it's been in the refrigerator, so I'm trying to get the chill off of it. These are my carrots I'm about to cut up. Well, I got to clean them first, and then I'm going to cut them up. And these are the mushrooms that I'm using. This is my beef broth that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using this Worcestershire sauce and this cooking wine. And I'm going to choose from a seasoning that's sitting out. And I'm going to use this unrefined avocado oil, and I'm going to put everything in this pot. And hopefully everything will fit in there. And I'm going to let it cook. I'm going to let it cook low and slow. So by 5 o'clock, it should be good and done. And it should be tender and falling apart. I think it's 1 o'clock now. Let me look. Yeah, it's 1 o'clock now. I meant to start actually an hour ago, but it's fine. It'll still get done by the time my husband get ready to go to work. I almost said go to school, y'all. I'm gonna get it together. Y'all see my little plant my daughter gave me for Mother's Day? They grew these at school, and so I keep it in there. And it's a little flower that blooms from it, a little white flower, and it's so cute, y'all. Like it broke my little heart. She gave me that. My baby gave me a plant. My baby love her mama. My tutu love her mama. But I'm gonna go ahead and clean everything, chop everything up, and then I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. And what I'm doing right now is searing this meat in that avocado oil. I'm not cooking it. I'm just searing it. So those flavors will be locked in. All I did was put some salt and pepper on this thing, and that was it. So see how in that beautiful crust on it? And then what I'm gonna do when I take this meat out, hold on y'all. So I gotta stand it up. When I take this meat out, I'm gonna put in my carrots and my onions and some and the mushrooms. Well, no, I'm not gonna put the mushrooms in. I'm gonna do carrots and onions and some minced garlic. But I wanted to show y'all. See that beautiful, beautiful color? Sorry, y'all, I had to move this around. That's the other side. So when I'm done with this sear, I'll be right back because I have a plate right here I'm going to put it on. I'm back, y'all, and what I've done is I put in my beef broth. I put in about a 1/4 cup of the cooking wine. I put in about the same amount of Worcestershire sauce. I put in salt and pepper. I put in garlic powder, onion powder. And I put in my meat and my veggies. And all I'm about to... Oh, and I put in 2 tablespoons of cornstarch so it'll get thick. So I'm about to taste this and see if I need to adjust anything. And if I don't need to adjust anything, what I'm going to do is go ahead and put the top on and let it go. I think it could use a tad bit more salt, y'all. It don't need no more pepper because that pepper is spicy. Could use a little, not a lot, but a little more salt. And I'm gonna put a little more. You know what? I'm not gonna put this in there. I'm gonna put something else in there. I'm gonna put some of my Lawry's seasoned salt. I'm gonna put a little bit of that in there. Not a lot, y'all. Not a lot, just a little. So I put my a little bit of my Lawry's in it. Let me wipe this off, y'all. There we go. And so I'm trying to keep this from smoking up my camera, y'all. Well, smoking up my phone because I'm doing this on my phone. But taste it one more time. It's always important to taste your food, folks. Oh, that's perfect. That's perfect. That's perfect. I'm not going to touch that. Because the rest of the flavor is going to come from the meat itself and these onions and these mushrooms. So there's no reason for me to do nothing else but put a top on this, let it cook. I'll be back, y'all.